Welcome to F12 MJD News Updates. Greetings and peace of the Lord Jesus Christ be with you, dear people of God. A blessed feast day to the Catholic community of Kulai, whose patron is Christ the King. The Pope has called the World Youth Day to coincide with this feast. On the first Sunday of Advent, the Melaka Johor Diocese launches the road to MJD 50 in 2023. Listening time. The Synod process unveils and reveals a number of significant reflections. This consultation requires conversations, listening, and discernment. The objective of the Synod process is simply a personal and collective conversion to a more synodal way of being church. It is a kairos time, adopted to the local context to include people of other faiths, participation of congregations and movements within local churches. There is disbelief among the Catholics that they are being consulted on the internal life of the Church. The fear of expressing because of certain culture and the fear of church authority can impede honest sharing. Let this exercise of the synodal process be a sharing and an encounter of others, deep listening and discerning the movement of the Spirit in all things. A thought for the week. People have been coming to the wise man, complaining about the same problems every time. One day he told them a joke, and everyone roared in laughter. After a couple of minutes, he told them the same joke, and only a few of them smiled. When he told the same joke for the third time, no one laughed anymore. The wise man smiled and said, "You can't laugh at the same joke over and over. So why are you always crying about the same problem?" Something to think about. Worrying won't solve your problems. It'll just waste your time and energy. Announcements for this week. 1. The annual clergy discernment for the year 2021 is over. Melaka Johor Diocese prepares for 2022 with the theme Salt of the Earth and Light of the World. It is remembering our baptismal call to communion, participation, and mission. Outstanding focus for the year is the synodal process and its conclusion in June 2022, the launch of Melaka Johor Diocese 50 or MJD 50, and the ongoing PPAs. 2. The Melaka Johor Diocese Young People Network have begun their Melaka Johor Diocese Young People Day in preparation for the World Youth Day on the feast of Christ the King. On the 20th, the youths will meet to dialogue with the bishop and the two vicar generals. On the 21st, there will be the MJD YPD Mass celebrated by the bishop. 3. Advent is here again. It is a time to prepare for the coming of the Lord. The second coming, not the first Christmas, not the baby Jesus. 4. New SOPs for Melaka Johor parishes. Categorized as National Recovery Plan Phase 4, the following are guidelines from the Kementerian Perpaduan Negara. Religious activities, prayers and worship and wedding services for Rumah Ibadat selain Islam are permitted, provided the number of persons allowed depend on the capacity of church after physical distancing of 1 meter has been factored in. There is no time limit restrictions on worship, liturgy or rituals. The parish health teams or parish leaders are responsible for the congregation's compliance to the personal hygiene, wearing face masks and physical distancing. This week's Q&Q, the Q asks, why must we face the real you? Only the spiritually matured are aware they are not the persona, the mask that they wear, that many present to others. Second, facing the real you liberates. One recognizes their manufactured self-image as a creation of their minds, desires and choice, and even the opinions of everyone else. Third, Carl Jung said, everything that irritates us about others can lead us to an understanding of ourselves. In the end, the face we turn towards ourselves is the face we will turn towards the outer world. And finally, fourth, the first reality is you. Know yourself to know the world and the others. People who accept themselves, accept others. People who hate themselves, hate others. Thank you for watching. Simply love what God sees in you. Many of us never go there because be loved in this way is to live in the naked now. And it is indeed a very naked moment. Let us continue building His kingdom together.